You're watching the Morning News Hour and I'm Sagarika Mitra. We're going to start this newscast with some political news coming in from the state of Karnataka. Now viewers, you have been aware of the kind of power dynamics and the power tussle that has been underway in the state, and this is the Congress where we are seeing this kind of factionalism. Now amid the chorus of DKS versus Siddaramaiah, what we are getting to know is that there are party workers of the Congress party who have voiced strong support for Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Now, let's tell you what exactly happened. The pictures you're seeing on your screens are coming in from yesterday, where the Congress party held an event. Now, during this event, which was the Gandhi Bharat program, this was held in Belagavi, supporters of D.K. Shivakumar raised slogans. They urged him to become the next Chief Minister. Now, these supporters raised slogans where they said, D.K. Shivakumar ki jai. Now, the chorus and the messaging becomes absolutely clear amid days and days of power struggle that has been on. Change the Chief Minister chorus. One camp says one thing, other camp does another kind of posturing. Let's also take a look at what exactly happened, how that sequence panned out. So you watched what exactly happened, but let's just describe the pictures once again. On your screens, you're seeing pictures coming in from Belagavi, from the Grand Congress event that took place yesterday. At that event, there were supporters of D.K. Shivakumar, scores of them who came armed with his pictures. And then there were moments specifically crafted for the cameras. These were supporters who looked into the cameras and who raised the slogan, D.K. Shivakumar ki jai. And then there was a pitch that they made from that very event. All of them said, D.K. Shivakumar should be the next Chief Minister. Deepak, this is not the first time, and it won't be the last either. But over the last few days, there are certain kinds of posturing that has been made from both sides. Be it leaders from the Siddaramaiah camp or from the D.K. Shivakumar camp. What started with a dinner on New Year's has now snowballed into this kind of a, escalation of the dynamics or escalation of the power struggle that has been ongoing. Get us through all the latest details. What happened after these kind of slogans were raised?
Now this doesn't come as a surprise really, because we've seen this happen multiple times in Karnataka. Supporters of leaders, raising slogans for their, leader to become the Chief Minister. In this case, it's D.K. Shivakumar. We've seen this happen with Mr. Satish Jarkioli and others as well. But at a Congress convention that had nothing to do with, the internal politics of the Congress party, it was primarily around Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar. Here, a massive gathering that had turned up, and here you have supporters of Mr. D.K. Shivakumar holding placards with his photograph and then raising slogans that, he is the next Chief Minister.
Right.
As far as Mr. D.K. Shivakumar himself is concerned, he has said that these are just supporters who are expressing their emotions and feelings. But at the end of the day, these decisions lie with the High Command, is the, statement that has come in from the Deputy Chief Minister.
All right. But once again, viewers, Deepak, I want you to stay with us because let's also put this into context. Now, this has been happening ever since the new year began. There was a dinner that was organized and there was a lot of buzz about that dinner. It's been 3 weeks so far. And since then, the conversation in Karnataka, in the political corridors of Karnataka, is about change. Who wants this change? Deepak is getting us the latest updates on the power tussle that continues in the state of Karnataka.